Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll just take a look and create a basic prompt with the help of Midjourney. When you are logged into Midjourney, you can just go into any of these newbies section. I'm in newbie 74 and here you can create your images. But first you have to press slash and write imagine. So you want Midjourney to imagine, and then here you go, you need to write your prompt. So let's create a prompt. For me, let's say we want to create a thumbnail for a motorcycle rider in mountains. So I'm gonna say I want to create a motorcycle rider looking at the mountains, looking at mountain roads, maybe because it's motorcycle rider, so it's looking at the roads of the mountain. So I want the image to be photorealistic, maybe 4K high definition. Okay, so maybe we want to include the shirt of the rider, motorcycle rider with black outfit, maybe, or black will look good. I like wearing black outfit. So looking at the mountain roads, photorealistic 4K high definition, and then maybe let's give it an aspect ratio. So for a thumbnail the aspect ratio is 16:9, so we'll go and add AR, which means aspect ratio, and then I'll go and add 16:9. So this is our aspect ratio. So let's press enter and see what Midjourney comes up with. Okay, so you can see it has given us that it is an invalid parameter. So let's go again. You can see that let's remove this from here and let's press enter. So basically for aspect ratio we added a wrong prompt, so let's go without that. So we are here, we are creating a motorcycle rider with black outfit looking at mountain roads, photorealistic 4K high definition. So here we go. So let's see how it looks. So I'm hoping it will look great and it will be photorealistic. So we have to wait a couple of seconds before it's complete. Okay, I think it is coming out really great. Wait a bit more and here we go. So we have our image here and you can see these images are really awesome. And here you can see if I see these images, so here you can see there are all these roads, etc. So I really like this one. So if you want to upscale this, so this is U1, U2, U3, U4. Okay, so this is the third one. I want to upscale the third one. So U is upscale, so U1, U2, U3, U4, whichever you want to upscale, you want to click on that. So if I want to upscale this third one, so I'll click on U3. Also, if I want the variants of any of these, so if I want new variants of this first one, so I'll go V1 or V2, V3, V4. So I'll kind of like this one as well as this one, so I'm going to go with this one. So let's upscale this one by clicking on U3, or you can go over here. If you don't like any of these, you can just click over here and you can always recreate 4 of them. So I've clicked U3 and here you can see we have the upscale version of that third one. So here we go, we can just right click and save as, and you can download this image. So this was the simple tutorial on how to create images with Midjourney. So here you can again upscale 2 times, upscale 4 times. Okay, you can zoom 2 times, you can zoom. Okay, so we are very strong, very subtle, very region, etc, etc. So you can do all of this stuff, but I kind of like this one. So let's see what we created. There you can see now we have created this image, And now this was the simple way of creating images with Midjourney, and then of course you can upscale those images. So this was the simple tutorial. So let's dive deeper in the next videos.